Welcome to this meticulously maintained end-unit villa in the prestigious Boca Pointe community. Designed for both elegance and comfort, this home offers soaring ceilings, open living areas, and refined finishes throughout. The eat-in kitchen is a chef's delight with wood cabinetry, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and a brand new 2024 AC. Enjoy garden views from the south-facing breakfast nook and tranquil water vistas from the enclosed, impact glass lanai. Upstairs, privacy glass inlay doors and bamboo flooring add warmth and sophistication, while the marble porcelain flooring on the main level provides timeless beauty. The home also features a spacious two-car garage, lengthy driveway, top-of-the-line entry door, and upgraded landscaping for an extra touch of privacy. Located in La Mirada within Boca Pointe, residents enjoy 24/7 manned security, a private pool, and optional club membership for golf, tennis, fitness, and resort-style amenities. Just minutes from Boca's town center mall, pristine beaches, dining, hospitals, and major roadways, this villa is move-in ready, the perfect blend of style, comfort, and lifestyle.